Hello, welcome back to Evaluate and Repair. Today we have a short little video here for you. I got a little situation here with my, as you can see up here, little belt here. My sunglass holder broke right there. Is where the tab goes, right there, like this. Let's see if I can do it one hand. That tab broke off of there, so now this just flops around like that. So what I've been doing for the time being was I have this old rubber strap, which is actually an old vacuum cleaner belt, and I've been putting it up in there like that and forcing it shut so that it'll hold it up for the time being. And I've been trying to figure out a way to fix that without having to replace the door. Okay, so my idea was take a piece of foam. Originally it was a spring I was thinking put on here, but I had no way I was going to attach this. I had no way to attach it where it broke off here without just gluing it. And I figured if I just glued it, it'll just snap off again. So here's what I come up with. Piece of foam. I was trying to find foam. I went to a crafts section in Walmart. They had nothing. I looked into the weather stripping department, and they had stuff there that might have worked, but it didn't look like it was thick enough, and I really didn't want to spend a lot of money. That was like 80 cents or something like that, I forget. So I'm going to just try, I have to find glue that's not going to eat the foam though. All right, so I cut the top of this off. I'm going to do a test to make sure that the glue I have doesn't eat it. I think it's like model glue that I have. It might eat this foam, but I need to find something that's going to hold up to that and hold up here so that it'll stay on there. But that's how I plan on doing it. And that way when you press on this, it pushes in and it compresses pretty good. And let's see how it works. Now the glue's dried up, so let's try some Gorilla Glue and see what that does. Let's put a little water on it. I'm going to put some weight on that, and we're going to let that dry. See what happens. Okay, it's a day later. I let the glue dry on that piece. That's what it looks like. So my theory is, if I put this up in here like this, which that's how it should fit right there, and glue the foam on, it'll compress and hold it in place. Let's do a test fit. Maybe not. I'm not so sure. I might need a thicker piece. Okay, we are going to give it a try, and see how it goes. It's a little more compressed than I thought. the piece there stayed stuck down in there, so I don't know what's going to happen there. I do have thicker foam, which is like 1 inch thick. I thought would be way too thick for this. But if this doesn't work, then I'm going to scrape all this off and put the thicker stuff on and see what happens. But for now, I'm just going to try it that way. And since we're using the Gorilla Glue, I got to use a little bit of water. And it's been raining, so I just got to step outside here and get a little bit of water on this. Alright, we're going to put the water up on this. And then we're going to put a little bit of goo on this. Just put a little tiny bit. Alright, let's try that. All I'm going to do is I'm going to just try to hold it in place here and latch it in place there. See if that'll work. But it don't look like it's going, so. Okay. We'll go back to the rubber here and jam it with that. Like that. And let's just see what happens. Alright, we're just going to let it sit like that overnight and see what happens. It will or won't work. I got a mess of glue all over here now. Alright, let's see what happens. Well, hello, it's the next day. Just got out of work. This thing dangling around is driving me nuts, so let's see how this thing did. Turn you up towards it so you can see it a little bit better. Kind of curious here myself and see how it goes. I'll pull the strap out. Okay, looks good. And it catches a little bit funny, but I see what's going on. There it is. It works good. Put my glasses in, and we'll be good. All right, success. I had my doubts, but it worked. So that's all that matters. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and the like, and leave a comment. That helps the channel out, and appreciate your time. Till the next video.